Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to send an email without showing recipients' Gmail. We start by opening the Gmail page with our account logged in. After that, we will click on the Compose option. Here, when we have our message ready, we can add the recipients. To do this, by clicking on the To section, we are also going to click on the BCC option that corresponds to the blind copy mode, and we will add the emails. This means that the address field with the data for those emails will not be displayed. This way we can send an email in Gmail to several recipients without them seeing each other. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.